Hey, what's up, guys? So I have here today is a UV 480 Shark Rocket Dual Clean Vacuum. So if you have this vacuum and you're having an issue with it picking up, because this vacuum is amazing, I have no issues at all of it. So if you're having that issue and it's not picking up, these are the filters right here. Make sure you change your filters. You have 3 filters, and I'll show you exactly where they at. You have 3 filters. So for instance, you have this pad right here. Okay. You have this one. And final, you have this one. Make sure these are clean. I'm going to show you exactly where they're at. Make sure they're clean, because if they're not clean, it will not suck the way it should. So you have your vacuum top. So first of all, you have one here. And you can see that it say clean filter monthly. So you can see that my filter is very dirty. You know, compared to a new one, is very dirty. You can sit here and clean them, but the filters are pretty cheap. So when you take this one out, you have another one under it. They have the little tab. You take that one out. You can see right here is the other one. Take that filter out too. So when you replace, grab the filter, put it in the same exact way you took it out. Okay, that's the first one. Grab the second one, put it in. Okay, so that filter is new now. So it stays clean. I'm gonna pretty much replace it maybe every month. They're not that expensive. Okay, so that one is done. So now your final filter, this one right here. This weekend I did wash it because these were bad. So this one I washed. So if you grab your vacuum, pick it up upside down, you have this in the back. Clean filter. Okay, you'll push that button in and the top will come off. And you can see that you're trying, it's like a triangle, a little bigger. So you can see it's there. You'll take that one out. This one I washed this weekend, and you can see that it's dirty already. Okay, so you grab your new one, slide it in. Make sure your little tabs, just like that. Okay, you slide that in. And believe it or not, this will make a big difference. Awesome. So the package comes with 6, and it comes with a little brush so you can brush it down. So you can say if I change this once a month, got 6 months. So it's not bad. About $10 for 6 months. Can't go wrong. Awesome. Just make sure if it's not sucking well, change your filters. Awesome, guys.